Hey guys, welcome to Project Pan Season 3 Episode 1. We're going to be choosing some new products, so I'll do that now and then we can go through them together in a minute. Okay, so here is everything that I've chosen. Okay, hopefully you can see alright. Okay, let's go through it all. So first, already in the project pan, I just have these 3 setting sprays. I just have the Tarte 4-in-1 setting mist, the Wonder Beauty Glow Getter, and the Tarte Mer Mist. I think I've lost my phone. I don't know where it is, but anyway. Okay, so I guess I'll just go take everything off the pile and go through there. I chose a few of these BH Cosmetics liquid linens just because I don't reach for them too much. They are really pretty, so I do want to get some use out of them. We have, this is Simone, this is Karen, this one here is called Stephanie, and then we have Vienna. So they're all really pretty shades and I just don't get much use out of them, so I do really want to use them. I chose all of my Kylie, oh wait, sorry, these are the XO Beauty ones. I have Wabi Sabi, which I actually really like. It's such a beautiful shade. And then I also chose Mariaki or something. This one is really not my colour, so I'm hoping to be able to get a bit of use out of it. So yeah, there's those. And then I chose all 3 of my Kylie Jenner ones. So I've got 3 shades. We have Amore, which is beautiful. We have, oh, I do have my phone. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Okay, so we have Raspberry Charlotte, which is like a bit of a, I don't even know, like a pink. And then the last one we have is Truffle, which is probably the one that's like most likely my shade, if you know what I mean. So I chose those 3. I chose some of these Nude by Nature ones. I don't even know what shades they are. I just grabbed them. This one here is Dusty Rose. Then we have Pale Coral. And then we have Blush Pink. I feel like they're all quite similar, but anyway. I chose some NYX lingeries. We have Ruffle Trim and then Satin Ribbon. So those 2. I chose a gloss. This is the Colourpop X Kathleen Lights in Moonchild. This is the Ofra liquid lipstick in, does not have a shade. That's so weird. What the hell? There's literally like no shade name. the O for not put shade names on there? I'm so confused. If anyone at home has an O for lipstick, can you please tell me where they usually put the shade names, because there's literally not one on this. But anyway, I chose this Anastasia gloss in Toffee because I never reach for it. And then I chose a couple of my cheesy ones because I actually really do like these, but I just never reach for them. This one is called Downtown Girl. Click that. Then we have Drop Dead Gorgeous, just like that. And Beautiful Stranger, which is like a brownie. Okay, for brows I chose the BH Cosmetics HD Brow Pencil in Brunette. So I'm excited. I think when I used this I actually did really like it, so hopefully I get along with that. And then I also chose the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel. I used to use this every time I did my brows, and now I haven't used it in a while, so I want to start using it again. And I also used the I also got the Morphe Translucent Brow Gel. For primer, I chose the Benefit Professional Hydrating Primer. I tried it out in my video and honestly didn't really reach for it again after that, so I do actually need to give it a bit more of a try. Do I have another primer here? Sorry, oh, I'm literally holding it. This is the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I really like this one, but it's on its last leg, so I thought we might as well use it up, and then I could probably buy another. Then I also chose the Maybelline Master Prime. This is the pore minimizing one. For foundation, oh, and I also got the Becca Velvet Blurring Primer. For foundation, I chose the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream. This one's in the shade Shell. I also chose the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Nude Ivory. And then both of my Colourpop sticks in Fair 25W and Light 70W. So they're like very, very different shades. Actually, they're not like too different, but yeah, so I can mix those. I chose the Anastasia Eye Primer because I'm never going to reach for this normally now, so I'm going to try and use it up, because honestly I love my P. Louise. I also chose some pigments this time because I don't really normally do that, so I chose my Tarte Chrome paints, I think they're called. This one is Pink Diamonds, and then we have Citrine, Wild at Heart, and Froze. So yeah, I'm excited for those. And I also chose my Makeup Revolution pigments because these I just never reach for either, but they do look really pretty. So we have Vindictive, and then we've got Sass Queen, and then Kinky. So got those. For mascaras, I chose the Colourpop BFF mascara. I really like this one, but I feel like it's getting very, very old and will probably need to be chucked out soon, so I'm going to get some use out of it and then call it a day, I think. And also the Makeup Revolution, the Mascara Revolution. Once again, I really like this, but on its last legs once again, so I'll get use out of those and then say goodbye to them, I think, which will be sad, but you know, they gotta go. Let's get on to eyeshadow palettes. I'm really excited for the palettes I chose this time. I think I'll have lots of fun. So this is the Morphe 39L Hit the Lights palette. This was their holiday palette that they released, and it's such a pretty palette, and I really want to get some use out of it. Then I also chose the 35i Icy Fantasy. I love this. Once again, I just want to get some use out of it. I chose some from Anastasia. I chose the Emrezy palette. This palette is so beautiful, and yeah, I just want to use it up. Well, not use it up, but I want to like get some use out of it. And same with my Riviera. I feel like there's some really fun colours in these palettes, so I'm so excited. And then I chose the BH Cosmetics It's My Ray Ray palette. Some fun colours in there as well. Also the Saharan palette by Juvia's. And then also the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. So yeah, I'm really excited for all of those. I feel like they'll be really, really fun. For highlighters this time, I chose these Anastasia highlighting palettes because I just do not reach for these ones. So we have the Moonchild Glow Kit and also the Aurora Glow Kit. And then I chose the Exo Beauty highlight in Aurora. I got 2 of these Colourpop ones. Where's the other one gone? Oh, here. These are their Super Shock highlighters. I have one in Over the Moon, which is like a bit more of a kind of joy chromey colour, so I wouldn't normally reach for it, so I'll try and get some use out of that. And then I also have one in Spoon, which is really pretty. And then I also chose the Mecca Enlightened Powder Mini, which looks like that. I chose some blush this time because last time I didn't choose any. So I chose the Focalia Sunkissed Monochromatic Blush Duo in 01 Soft Apricot. This is actually such a pretty blush duo, so I'm excited to use that. And then I chose the Tarte Party Blush, which just looks like that. And then the Fairy Flush, which looks like that. I really like their more kind of nudie blushes, they're so pretty. I chose a couple bronzers. The Mecca Max Sunlit Skin Bronzer in medium. I really love this one. I want to get some good use out of it. This is the BH Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer in Bronze Babe. I love this one as well, and I just once again want to get some use out of it. And then this blush is just so big that I feel like I need to make a dent into it because it's like never going to happen. But this is the Mega Bronzer in O2 Warm from Revolution. I chose some more setting sprays. I chose the Ofra Makeup Fixer once again just because this is huge. Like, this has 240 ml, so I just need to start like getting through this a little. I do really like the Makeup Fixer. And then I chose the MAC Fix Plus in the Cherry Blossom scent. I don't really love this scent too much, so I just thought I would try and use this scent up. Is it not gonna undo? To me it kind of smells like carpet. I don't know, so... yeah, I don't really love it, so I'm going to try and use it up. I do really like the formula, I just don't like the scent. And then I also chose the Revolution X Jake Jamie Tropical Quench Essence Spray. I feel like this is more of like a skincare kind of spray, but anyway, I chose those 3. For concealers, I chose the Morphe Fluidity Concealer in C1.35. I chose the BH Cosmetics Total Coverage Concealer in 102, and then also the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C5. Only one loose powder this time, and it's the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder. And then I chose 3 pressed powders this time. The Wet n Wild Photo Focus Pressed Powder, I love this one so much, I just want to use it a bit more. The Too Faced Peach Blur. I don't mind this, but I just never really use it, so I want to get some use out of it. And then I never reach for this one. This is the BH Cosmetics Pressed Powder in 230. 230. Looks like that. Looks very similar to the MAC one. So yeah, that is everything in Project Pan. I'm actually so excited for this this Project Pan because we have so many fun products in here. So yeah, I can't wait to film my first Project Pan with these products. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you're as excited about this season as I am. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!